Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 19. This is Section 2.3, Problem 19. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent. And we have 4 over 10 and 6 over 15. So you can try and reduce each one to its simplest form and see if you get the same result. Or, another way you can do it is multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other and see if the results come out the same or if they're different. So, if I multiply 4 times 15, that's 60. And then the other numerator and denominator pair would multiply 10 times 6, which is also 60. So they come out the same. 60 is equal to 60, which means these fractions are equivalent.